Hello everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a couple exercises on the Weider Ultimate Bodyworks, which is basically very similar to the Total Gym. If you're familiar with that, did a review on it, and now I'm going to do a few exercises, actually a few of my favorite exercises that I used to do every day, and I just purchased this recently. Haven't used it much, so I just moved it out here because it was under the bed, and now I want to use it. We have a few of these Total Gyms at the shop, but I kind of like this one because it folds up nicely, and it's newer than the other equipment we have, and also too it has a few more options that the other one doesn't. So I'm going to go through a few simple exercises that I like to do, and the reason I like them because they're very fast, very quick, and you can transition between exercises very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll try to explain as I go. What's nice too is you can, when you're done with the handles, you can just basically tuck them up here on the handlebars, and they're out of the way instead of letting them hang down. This handlebar here can also be taken off and put on the bottom. And there's also other accessories you can use. I just like to keep it simple though. So we're going to go ahead and start out with just a little bit of stretching. What I like to do is put my knees up towards the top, and so I stretch out and then back, out. And you might have to adjust your body because depending on where you are at on the board, sometimes it limits your range of motion. These are kind of like bent over rows. I'm not using much weight. I've got it on a lower level. It gets much higher. So this is like a row. It's mostly stretching. Then you can come up and do your biceps. You can also do a tricep and a bicep. Or you come up and do shoulders. Come back. Okay. Whew. And you can just transition, you can kind of make up your own workout. And you can also, if it's a low setting, you can get some cardio too. What I like about this machine, you can get as much stretch as you want. And the deeper you go, the better the stretch. So now we're going to do some presses. Keep it close to your body. Press down, and you can alternate. You can variate your routine and your technique. You can go higher or lower, get different angles. Then you just switch over, roll your hands over, go into more like a butterfly. Downward butterfly, upward. So you can stop here or you can go all the way back. And then if there's a problem, you just put your feet down. So if you feel a stretch or you feel, something just isn't right, you just put your feet down, stop the momentum. And then you can just pull yourself up, go right into a laying position, and I always go down the bottom. You can adjust. You know where it bottoms out. So right there, you know it's going to bottom out. So you stretch a little further. This is the one Chuck Norris does on the infomercial. This is really good for warming up the shoulders. You do a little crunch in the middle. Alternate. A little variation side to side. Pick up a leg. Pick up both legs. In the middle. Side. Or you can rotate it. And keep your head down. Or you can pick your head up like a crunch. Push through the middle. One side to the next. Transition up. Whew. Then I like to come to do my obliques a little bit. You sit off to the side. You can either grab, if you have bigger hands, you can grab both of them and twist, 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 twist. Or you can grab both independently. Like I said, you can stop at any time, just put your feet down. Other side. Stop. Readjust. Switch back. Stretch. Hang them right back up. So you can see in just a few minutes, it's a pretty good set. Like I said, you can raise the machine up, use a bigger percent of your body weight, and you can even hook up the resistance bands on the bottom to give yourself more resistance. And you can raise your cardio, even though you're doing a weight training. You raise your heart rate, and you can get a kind of a combination. And as you get older, you don't want to do a lot of heavy weight. You still want to stay in shape. You want to keep your tone, not going after bulk anymore, not going after heavy weight or max lifts. I just want to stay in shape and have my range of motion and not hurt myself. So this is a really good piece of equipment to do that. Like I said, as you get stronger and better shape, you can raise it up in the back, and then you can add your resistance band, so you're going to have plenty of weight. I'm almost 250 pounds, so that's plenty of weight for me. It's going to be a while, maybe lose some weight, lose 10 or 20 pounds, and then I'll start using more resistance. Whew. If you like this review, please crush the like button and subscribe. And I'm going to keep bringing you more workout videos, different variations. This is just the exercises I like because they're quick, easy. You can get them done if you don't have much time. Like maybe when you get up in the morning before you shower, you get home from work. It's a really good way to start your exercise routine, or just use it as a warm-up if you're in an advanced level. So Again, this is Roger. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Have a good workout.